On this edition of Forever Home, we're going to be working on replacing the guts of this toilet. Customer tried a couple of different replacement flappers without success of finding one that would create a good seal. So today we're going to be installing this new 2-inch Kohler canister flush. This claims it's not universal, so we're going to find out if it works. One interesting challenge in this old Universal Rundle toilet is that hole's pretty small. So here's what we've learned with this Universal Rundle 4490. The flow is not heavy enough to do what it needs to do. We went up cutting about 1.5 inches off the top of this canister to try to lighten it up. And when you just flush it and let it go, you'll see that it closes prematurely. So this does work as far as getting a new flapper in that's going to seal and be happy, but it is going to force you to absolutely hold the handle if you want a complete flush. Now another option would be to add some extra buoyancy to the bottom of that canister to help it float higher and stay up longer. And that might be something we play with on another video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye for now.